Race 5, top of the stretch, Never Quits, Brookdale Heather, NS Randy, Salzbrook Astrobo, Prophecy Queen, Just Lovey, Sarah's Daphne, and Oduya. They're off and pacing. NS Randy quick off the gate. Also moving out, Brookdale Heather, Never Quits down at the rail. Into the first turn, Prophecy Queen outside looks for a spot in 4. Salzbrook Astrobo has come away in 5. Wide 6th is Sarah's Daphne, back in 7 for Just Lovey, and the early trailer is Oduya. Into the backstretch, they head to the opening quarter. NS Randy out front leads it by 2.5. Brookdale Heather is sitting second, followed by Never Quits third. On the inside, 4th, Prophecy Queen. Continuing on the outside, now uncovered 4th, Sarah's Daphne as they race to the 3/8. They're led by NS Randy with Brookdale Heather, the pocket sitter on the outside. And moving uncovered into 3 is Sarah's Daphne. Never Quits in at the rail, looks at it from 4. 29 3 the quarter. Inquiry sign is posted. Moving off the turn, racing into the stretch now, NS Randy continuing to chart the path with Brookdale Heather sitting in the garden spot. Outside going the long route in 3 is Sarah's Daphne, picking up cover on the limb. Second over Salzbrook Astrobo, racing in 4. 5th and caught in now is Never Quits. Out third over in 6th is Prophecy Queen. Then in the inside, Oduya has 7 outside. Just Lovey trailing in 8. Onto the backside, final time. They were past the half in a minute and 2/5 seconds. And NS Randy's the one to catch. Still leads the way by a length and a quarter. Second, Brookdale Heather. Sarah's Daphne continues on the outside. Third, Salzbrook Astrobo is peaking 3 high from 4. 5th at the rail. 4 Never Quits. Inside, Prophecy Queen in 6th. Then Just Lovey. And Oduya sits at the back. They race to the 7/8. NS Randy still in charge. Outside. And pesky second is Sarah's Daphne. Inside, racing in 3 as they continue on past the 7/8 and off the top turn. As they straighten out for the stretch drive, Brookdale Heather awaits the passing lane. Off the turn and down the lane. NS Randy up on the outside. Salzbrook Astrobo is now taken over. Salzbrook Astrobo drawing off to win it. Finishing second is NS Randy and third is Brookdale Heather.